Are you ready to make your book a bestseller on Kindle Direct Publishing and Amazon? Well, then this is the show for you. I'm actually going to take you through a coloring book, well, a brand of coloring books that is doing really well, and we're going to reverse engineer it, and I'm going to show you all the things that this brand is doing really well, and it's all things that you can do to make your books stand out. Hey everybody, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and I am back. Sorry I was gone for a little bit, but I am back to help you guys with KDP. I'm back to help you with Etsy, and we're gonna get you spelling this year in 2024. All right, let's dive into Amazon, and I will show you this brand and what they're doing really well, and I think that these are things you can do too, all right? All right, well, this is the book I found. It's Amazing Animals Adults Coloring Book. And they actually have quite a few different books in this particular brand, but this is doing really well, and it isn't even their bestseller, honestly. I think it's at 5,000 in the bookstore, 5,000 and something. I'll go back and we'll look. But one of the things I wanted to show you that I think they do really well is they have really great A+ content. It's clear, it's decisive, it's showing their pictures with markers and partially colored in. It's really simple, and look, they've done branding, Coloring Book Kim, okay? They have branded each of these little pictures, and I think that's kind of an extra touch that you can do. All right, so they also have, here is their different books that they're selling. So they have for adults, and they kind of have these check marked. But what's cool about this in the A+ content is that these are all clickable links. And so if someone likes this book, or maybe they see one they like better, maybe they're looking for relaxing flowers or dinosaurs. Flowers might be a natural extension from animals, but you know, maybe they're looking for something like that, or maybe they want both. So these are really great because it gives you the opportunity to have clickable links. So I think they've done a really good job with their A+ content. Here we are, it's a 5,975, and this isn't even the most popular of their books. So this is selling really well. You can look through and see how well that is in the book, but they're selling, you know, 100 books a day or something. Maybe not that much, maybe like 30 bucks a day. But either way, they're doing really well. And Coloring Book Kim, that's the name of the brand. So they also have an author page. So Amazon allows you to do Amazon author pages, and we'll go click on that. But in that, they also, you can see they have a website. So they have clickable links on their A+ content, clickable links for each of their other products within that. They have a author brand, so that they have an Amazon author page. They also have a website, and I'll show you all these things. And none of these things are really complex. It's just, you know, as you get more and more books, you can add things. So let's see. You can see they loved it. You know, there's really good reviews. Some of it's just, it's simple, it's quality. And people really liked it, okay? Now let me show you, let's go over here, and I'll show you their author page. Okay, here's their author page, and you can see this is, Amazon, once you create an author page, you just add your different books. But you can see I have it organized by popularity, so let's see, This Amazing Animals is down here. Okay, these are the most popular books, and they're doing better than this one that was at 5,000. Now, bestsellers rank will change hourly, daily. So, you know, take this for what it's worth, but they have quite a few books that are doing really well. So having an Amazon author page can be something that, especially if you get one book selling, people like to buy books from other, like from the same type of author, artist, that sort of thing, because they know what they're going to get. So once you create a quality product, continue to create quality products on a similar vein so that people can purchase them. All right, you can see that, yeah, these blank comic books are not as popular as obviously their ones up there. But let's go look at their website. So this is Coloring Book Kim and their website. It's a super simple. I like that it's kind of interactive in the sense that things pop up. They have bright and colorful. It's really pretty simple. This just honestly has pictures of their books with categories, and it takes you, they just, yeah, have different types of categories they've put their various books in, and it takes you to Amazon to purchase their books. So it's a very simple website. It's nothing too complex. As you add a product category, you could just add it onto the bottom, or if you find something that's more popular, definitely put it towards the top of your website, right? Now, one thing I did see, they had a blog, which was kind of interesting. This blog, I'm not sure if my computer will load it up, but these are actually just YouTube videos. So their blog is pretty much posts of different YouTube videos. So it's just another way. Google likes linked traffic. So if you have a website that connects to your YouTube channel and your YouTube channel connects to a website, you know, these are all good things. So this was fun. I went to their YouTube channel, and you can come and watch their videos if you would like, but you'll see that their videos, it's just kind of videos of them coloring the book. One I think was they're kind of coloring, a computer was doing it. But what I thought was really fascinating is if you look at the different videos and their views, this one in particular, this Amazing Animals, and my computer is apparently deciding to move things, is 7.4K views. Think about that. That's free views. That is some 7,400 people seeing this book and having the opportunity to borrow it on Amazon. Now, this one's been up here 3 years, and you can see this has been here 2 and 2, and some of them do better than others, but what a quick and easy thing to do is to either come up with a way to, I think this one, you actually just like a computer colors it, but the fact that there's a video and showing the pictures and showing you coloring it, it can get you a lot of free views, like in the sense of eyes on your product. And it's a pretty simple way. And like I said, Google loves cross-link traffic. It loves the fact that there's a website. It loves that the website links, you know, there's Amazon links that link to products, that there's a YouTube channel that links to a website, and the website links to YouTube videos. Google really likes that. So it's going to get more eyes on it when people look for something like Amazing Animals Coloring Book or Stress Relieving Animal Coloring Book. So, you know, obviously some things are going to do better than others. The adult ones tend to do better than apparently this kid ones, though my daughter likes to watch how to draw, like this one has 1.2K views. My daughter likes to watch other people color. So, you know, there are people like that. Happy Animals Coloring Book, this has 3.4K views. So that's it's just another way of a simple way that you can create something that gives the ability for your audience to find your book. Okay, now this is something that they haven't done, but I thought was really smart. And I'm pretty sure it's them, Coloring Book Kim. They have a TikTok channel. There's one follower, it's probably themselves, but they haven't put anything on it at this point in time. But that is a good thought. If you're going to create a coloring brand or some sort of book brand, it is good to get a YouTube channel. It's good to get a TikTok. So and a web page as well, right? So once you figure out your brand, or you have a brand already, try and get your name for all those categories. Now, you could also do something like, if you have a pen name, let's say Tara Grace. I don't know. I'm just making this up. And the taragrace.com is taken. You could do taragracebooks.com. So there is another way to try and get your brand name in a very easy way to add like books on the end, or book or something like that is easy to get, because a lot of people don't. Tara Grace might be a popular, I have no idea, model or something. I wouldn't pick someone who's a popular model because you don't want your stuff being confused with that, but it might be a common name. Like Sarah Smith would probably be a very common name. So maybe you could find Sarah Smith books, but you could do something like that to try and get your brand out there, and try and get the website, the TikTok, the YouTube, any other social media that your Instagram, anything. Try and get all the different channels, Pinterest. Even if you're not going to use it, like this right here, they aren't using TikTok yet, but that doesn't mean one day they might. They could actually take these YouTube videos, shorten them down into little bite-sized pieces, and toss them on TikTok and see how they do. So if you're going to go through the trouble of making a YouTube channel, you could completely make these small little excerpts or little bits of video that you could put on TikTok. All right, I just wanted to share that with you because I think you guys could do some amazing things if you really start thinking of your books as a brand and doing just everything very quality, doing the A+ content, trying to have more eyes on your products by just having clickable links within your A+ content, by creating a website, by creating a YouTube channel, by creating a TikTok channel. And I know this seems like a lot of work to start. So start small. You know, start 3 books, 3 quality books. And you're going to start with 3 quality books. You're going to make A+ content for those 3 qualities. You're going to make a website for those 3. Just start a little bit smaller and put thought and time into those things and then add on. This person has, quite a few more books than 3, but it took them time to create that. And you have time. You just need to spend your time wisely creating brands and products that people see as professional. These look professional because they have all the things that we think of as a professional type brand, a website, a YouTube channel. So make your stuff professional by creating those things. And they don't need to be amazing. This website is not amazingly beautiful. It's a fairly simple website. It just has the products and links to Amazon, but and everything's branded, right? But it shows some thought and professionalism and time that they have put into this to create something that looks really nice. All right, I hope this was really helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please make comments. I'm going to start getting back in there, and I'm excited to see you all do well for 2024. Thanks.